You said, how could you be so blind? You just follow your dreams, you gotta live your...
Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm D if you're new, and today we have a sponsored video. The name of the company is Hot, and all the information will be down below. Y'all know I be so excited to do these bougie on a budget videos. So we're first gonna take a look at the packaging, y'all. Baby, they didn't play. The package is up really good. So let me get this box open. Well, thank you so much and welcome to my channel. And yeah, let's get into this bougie on a budget haul. What do we got? Slide this Murray out of here. Oh, let's take a look at the box. It's in very good condition. A little scuffs, but that's fine. Right, y'all, let's open it together. All right, so you see upon opening, it has the little receipt and shipping items in here. Just telling you about the bag and stuff. Top. Then once you open it does have a cute dust bag. I really love the packaging. Let's get into it. The box is not flimsy and it is great condition. All right, y'all, so the ribbon did come, but the ribbon was added inside the box. So you do get the Chanel ribbon. Again, all information to this company will be down below. So, let's see. Drawstring works. Great packaging, you guys. I really like it. So let's get into the things of the things, y'all. So here we go. It is in another protective bag. Great job on the packaging. And then we have our item. Are y'all excited? I'm excited. Look at that color, y'all. Ooh. Look at that. I love the feeling of this material. Look, y'all. Again, all the details and information to this bag will be down below. So we have a little pocket back here where you can fit your phone. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. I love it. This is perfect for like fall or winter. That's what this color is giving. So we do have a chain. Give me a minute. Let me open up this chain. Y'all, this color is everything. It's giving burgundy or it's giving brown, kind of brown or red on camera. But this is a beautiful, and I love the gold. It's not that cheapy, bright gold. Y'all, this is so cute. More packaging. I'll let y'all get a look down on the inside and in the flap. This is a cute date night crossbody bag, and it does just say Chanel right there. Y'all, I love this bag. There are feet on the bottom of this bag. I see some companies, they be messing up and they be forgetting the feet, but there are feet on this bag and they are protected, y'all. I love this bag. Get into it, y'all. It is so beautiful, and I love the packaging. And up here around the handle, it does say Chanel, and it does have the hooks made on for the strap. You guys, I love this so much. Make sure you go and check out Highfoot. I'm gonna leave the Instagram and all the information to their website down again. Y'all, this is so cute. Let me hook the scraps on so y'all can see. I love this. The strap is heavy duty, and then you do have the Chanel logo on both. Look at this. Beautiful quality. This is a well-made bag. Look at this. Look how cute it is, y'all. I love it so much. Make sure you go and check them out. If I have a coupon code, it will be on the screen. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with another one. Bye, you guys. Oh my